Leo Red here, just coming back from Walmart. This wasn't what I was going to pick up while I was there. I was picking up some few other items that I was going to the store for. Then I walked across this. It was for $1.98. So I couldn't help myself. So I said I might as well just go ahead and get it. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. It's an Ozark Trail pocket knife. See, stainless steel serrated blade, plastic handle with pocket clip. And that's all the measurements. Back. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Plastic black handle. There we go. Got some finger grooves right here. A metal clip. Pretty decent length too. It's real stiff coming out. That piece of syrup on my finger. I don't know what that is. Anyway. It's real stiff coming in and out. See the blade. Do I have anything to cut it on with this box? See. Kind of hard to cut on here. Cuts through. It was kind of sharp. Let's see if I can. It's kind of odd trying to cut. See? If you can see it, I don't know if I'm doing this right. I guess it has a decent edge to it. So that's about it. Like I said, I picked this up from $1.98 at Walmart. And that's about it. Leo Red out.